Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Bimmer Barn. In today's episode, we're going to be changing out the power steering lines on my M5 wagon. This is also going to apply to the 540i models. I'm going to keep it simple in this video and let you guys enjoy the footage. And if you do enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like down below. I found another leak, and I think I found it just in time too. Looking at the underside of the car, I could see brown leak, like brown fluid, definitely oil. And I'm just looking around here. My big concern was these stainless steel lines, which are really hard to get. They go in and out of stock. I can't find one. I can't find a matching set in stock right now. And when I got these lines, I actually got them off of eBay used. Now I was worried that those were leaking, and I couldn't really see obviously that there was a leak there. Then there's the pressure line over here that, you know, it's got a banjo bolt. And the last thing is the oil pressure sensor, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this cap off in real time and see. But just looking at that there, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. It looks like we might have our culprit here. Look at that buildup of dirt and oil, and I'm worried that I'm gonna take this connector off here and that there's gonna be oil inside the connector, and that's gonna mean that it's seeping through that electrical contact and creating our oil leak, which is not necessarily a very good thing. It means that the sensor is failed, and it could be showing a false reading sometimes too. So let's pull that cap off and see what's behind it. So it doesn't appear to be leaking through the electrical contact itself, but definitely looking on the outer rim of it, how much oil is there. Look at just how much oil is directly on this connector here. It doesn't just get here and land here for no reason. I mean, it's definitely something that we need to change here. My other concern is that when you have an active oil leak, the fan and all the air from, you know, going through the engine bay is gonna turn that leak into like a fine mist. It'll coat everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one of these oil pressure sensors. Should be pretty easy to change and not make a big mess. And then we'll come through again probably and clean all this off to make sure that we don't have any active leaks. And probably won't be reinstalling the under tray since it's cracked and basically dragging anyways. Probably gonna have to invest in an OEM one because I think it's made out of a different type of plastic. So all right, now I'm gonna go ahead and start installing our new lines.